no way. But I figured I'd do the video now because I'm calm, I'm relaxed. I'm pretty chill right now. I'm just laying down on my scooter right now. My legs over here, just chilling out. There's a car park over there, and the football oval or whatever, cricket oval over there, and the river over there. I'm just chilling. I went to, let's talk about today. Today I didn't do a lot. I didn't really have any plans until like later. But I played World of Tanks, and I want to say I got another tier 10, and I did get another tier 10, except I pretty much just free EXP'd it. I couldn't be fucked. They're all the light tanks are now done. I got the Russian one for free, I just skipped it. But whatever, I did all of them except for that one. Or, I think. I don't know, I don't remember. I don't know what I have freed and what I haven't freed. But, yeah. I'm wearing a suit right now. I don't know if you can tell. No, you can't tell. But these are suit pants, anyway. I am going out to some dance prom thing. I don't know if the suit's necessary, so I've got backup clothes in my box back there. But let's get off this thing. I'll show you where I am. And yeah. See, I'm just here. Like, there is the view. And that is where I'm just chilling right now. It's nice, it's calming, it's quiet. There's like a restaurant, you can't see it, but there's umbrellas and chairs above me. Clearly they're shut, but that's where they would be. So yeah, I got some backup clothes in case this prom thing isn't a suit thing. I don't know. I went to a 80s and 90s dance though, just before. And I went to another dance place after that. I need to wait 10 o'clock, that's the problem. But, the dance was alright. The 80s and 90s dance was alright. I didn't really engage with many people, but I engaged with a few. The other one, I went there and then I got a drink and I sort of pissed off. I didn't really stay, I don't know, I just didn't feel it. And we'll see if I enjoy the next one, because the next one I paid $25 for, which I don't really do, but I just want to do something this week. I want to go to a dance, and this one sounds, I don't know, eye-catching, so it had an interesting poster, and I don't know the music at all, which is interesting, so we'll see what I think about it. But yeah, I think it starts at 10 and ends at 3. Knowing me, I probably won't last that long, but I'll go maybe for an hour or two, unless I really do enjoy it and I talk to people. Well, I always talk to people, but in case I really enjoy it. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I have a bet on myself that I'll probably leave in an hour or two of being there. But that's just encouraging me to leave in an hour or two. I don't win anything from the bet, so yeah. I hope I stay a little bit longer. I hope I stay for as long as I feel like. I hope I enjoy it, is what I'm trying to say. We'll see. I really just enjoy rock and roll only, and I know this isn't rock and roll, so we'll see. Anyway, I'm chill. Yeah. It's been raining all day today. It's even raining now slightly. See? But I'm alright. It's alright. Actually, it's raining quite a bit more now I mentioned that. I better stop. Bye.